Hi everybody. In today's lesson, we are going to use a shape tool and type on a path to learn how to make creative typography in Illustrator. Okay, so this time we will mouse over the rectangle tool, hold our mouse button down and choose the ellipse tool. And now we're just going to freehand draw, holding the shift key down, roughly a 4-inch diameter circle. And it doesn't matter what color it is. Next step, we will choose the mouse over the type tool and choose the second option by holding the mouse button down and selecting type on a path tool. We're going to click on that top control point. The circle is now filled with dummy text, and we're going to replace that with T-A-R-G-E-T, all caps. By choosing all caps, we will have a nice sharp inner line and sharp outer line. So I recommend all caps for the typography. And then to make this a nice bold target, we're going to use another classic font called Impact. It is a bold condensed font. And I want this to be a little bit larger, so I'll choose 18 points and I'm going to make it red from the Properties panel default swatches. So Command C, after I formatted that text, reposition my cursor after the final T and press Command V to fill the circle. Now we have a little bit of a gap here, and if we press Command V another time, we get that tiny little plus sign in a red box, and that means there's additional text. So I'm going to show you a pro tip. So I can select all of this text and make it smaller, 17 points, and then using decimal values, I can fine tune so that I don't have overlapping text and I have as small a gap as possible. Let's see how close we can get this. All right, so I have 17.27. Now you don't have to do that obviously for this assignment, but I wanted you to be aware of that flexibility if the need arises. Let's switch over to the black selection tool, and now you have a control box around this formatted beautiful circle, right? Created by the type on a path tool and the word target. Now click on that. And then underneath the rotate tool, which looks like a rounded arrow, choose the scale tool. Double click on that. That brings up the scale tool window. Change the value on the uniform box to 75 and then choose copy. Our muscle memory wants us to say okay here, right? Choose copy instead. And now we can do that again. Double click on the scale window, keep the value 75 and press copy. And try that so that you can build a target. Okay, that's it for this skill set. That's type on a path. I'll see you again.